Hey folks, Roger Bain from Bain Custom Woodworking. So I have a job to repurpose a piano and turn it into a dining room table bench. So for some of you know, I've had total knee replacement. So as of today, this is June 30th. Tomorrow will be 8 weeks since I've had my knee replaced. So I'm up and about. Certainly not 100% in the shop for maybe a couple hours every other day or so. But I really wanted to get this project started because I promised my grandchildren here in Nashville that they could help me with it. Well, they're going away for 2 weeks. So I decided to bring them over last week and help me start tearing apart this piano. Part one will come after this video. I'll add it to this. Part two will be a little later. It's a little shorter. This one is fairly long, so be patient with it. It's more about entertaining everyone, because to watch the grandchildren work and to listen to them talk about how they're doing it and what we should do for it, that is the fun part of this video. Yes, it explains a little bit about taking apart the piano, and maybe we'll get a little bit more detailed as I'm working by myself. But to work with the grandchildren and allow them to actually do all the work. I'm going to start taking this piano apart. I have my two assistants here. They're going to help me with this. We're going to start part of it today, and you're going to see a progression as we take it apart and rebuild it into a bench for a dining room table. So right now we're going to start by taking the top off. Caroline, can you hold this up for me, please? Let's see how high it'll go. Right there. All right. So Jonas, you know what we need? We need a regular screwdriver. So let's see. Yeah. Got that? Why don't you go up one more step for me, Caroline? Good girl. Got it? Now don't you fall, that's all. Here, Jonas, hold on. Here, I'll give you here. Okay. Take this one. And then I'll take this one, and I'll see if I can get a flathead of it. All right. So, can
I get up for Caroline?
Yes. So let me see if that'll stay up by itself. Okay, Caroline, let go for me. Okay, Jonas, you can come up here and do this one because it'll stay by itself. Caroline, can you get the bolt bucket for me?
This one won't fit.
It won't fit. You want to do it by hand? Look how easy these come out.
Yeah.
Here, I'll trade with you then. Okay?
The size of this isn't the right size.
It's right over here. Got it? Right there, babe. Okay, so just keep taking them out and putting them in your hand. Okay? Okay, Caroline.
Can't let any of these fall.
Caroline, I have some over here.
And these hinges we can use.
So Jonas, once you get them all out, Jonas, leave one in, please.
Why?
Because it'll fall off if you don't. You don't want that to happen, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna leave the bottom two in. Leave the bottom two. Let me set this right here, please. I just need to leave the bottom one.
Yep. Leave me one in the bottom, will be all right. So let me borrow your screwdriver because it's a little bit smaller than mine when you're done. screwdriver.
You don't want to let the screwdriver fall.
Don't want to let the screwdriver fall.
And that is a big mistake that we're going to edit out. We're going to edit that out.
Okay, don't take that out yet.
Caroline.
Thank you. All right. Okay, so. So here's what we're going to do, Jonas. I'm going to take this screw out. You're going to hold that. Okay? You see how it's see how the thing's moving away from the piano there? Okay.
Don't let go.
Nope. So, why don't you get down for me for a minute? I want you to move your ladder over that way. I want you to go right up on the second step and put two hands on that and hold it up. Turn your hands the other way. There you go. Okay. I'm going to slide this and you're going to catch it. Take your screw out.
Wait, I need to switch hands.
Yep, it's all right. Take your time.
Oh, it just fell out.
All right, so that means, ready? I'm coming down. Look at that, huh?
That is how you take the top of the piano off. Now go take the hinges off.
Patience, Obi-Wan.
Do I put the lid on? Oh, wait, that looks good.
Leave those on for now. Okay, so, Caroline, can you help me with this one, I think? There are, oh, I see what it is. You're going to help me with this. Let's go set that on the counter over there.
My hinge flipped.
You got yours flipped?
Yeah.
All right. Caroline, you ready for this? You're going to help me with this. You're going to help pick up right here. Yeah, pick up right there for me. Pick up. Come on up and out.
Oh, it's connected to the hinge board. It's connected to the key.
Oh, it is. Look at that. All right, so let me see if I can open it up more. There it is. Okay, Caroline, you ready?
Oh, the whole thing comes
You ready? Caroline, you going to help me? Go down there and grab that end. There you go, baby girl. Nice job. You ready? Pick it up. Okay, Jonas, help. Okay, let's just set it. Just set it back up, Caroline. We're going to set it right against the thing here. Okay? Just like that. All right. Nice job. Beautiful. Okay. So now we want to get this out. So Jonas, we have to have your screwdrivers. There's a screw down there.
Now, Caroline, turn this way. Yeah. Why
don't you go get the screw bucket for me? Go the other way, honey. Yeah, there you go. Lefty loosey, righty goosey. Righty tighty.
Righty tighty, not lefty.
Okay, so move the screw bucket. Caroline, can you pick this up with me? Okay, now let's set it right on top of that other piece over there, Jonas. Oh, you're going to set it? Okay, we'll set it right here. Okay. Nice job. Okay. All right, so now we have to...
Wait, this is cool. Wait, Caroline, I want you to stop here. It sounds the exact same, but... Oh,
Are you ready? Are
sounds
you ready now? Let's see if this comes out. Ready?
Hey.
Hold on. Hold on.
Are we screwed in? Screwed in?
Oh, I gotta. That's.
Wait, that looks like a pin. Oh, no,
There's screws.
There's a screw here. Wait, Caroline, wait, can I get it in there? Oh,
She's got it.
She's got it.
She got it. Yeah, Jonas, don't be moving stuff because you make the screw get tight on us. Okay, bud? Yeah, it's a long screw, Caroline. So keep going. Let her finish it. Hey, Jonas, get the screw bucket and put that in for me, please.
I want to save all these screws because we could use them for another project.
Yep, you're doing good, babe.
We can use them to put it together.
So take this hand and go right down here with it. Okay, that holds it in. Okay, no, go the other way. There you go.
Hey, Grandpa.
There you go. Nice job. Hold on, Jonas. Hold on. Keep going. Nice job. Keep going. Yep. See that hand? Hey, stop, please. That hand is helping you keep the screw in there. And see how the screw's moving on you? Let's see if we can help. There you go. How's that? That better?
Yeah.
Keep going. Nice job. Okay, see if that screw will pop right out with your fingers. Nice job. Put it in the bucket. All right, you ready? Up we come.
Hey. Voila.
Voila.
Now.
I don't need you to hit your fingers. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, it is screwed there. Okay, hold on. I just got to get this to pry out.
There.
Hey, babe. You ready?
There we go.
You ready, Jonas? Up we go. You ready?
Yeah.
You got it? Come on, our muscles. Pick it up. Oh, get your fingers. Okay. Caroline, get the back. Yep, there you go. You ready? Nice. There we go. Right over here.
This is like 35 pounds.
And it's pretty heavy, isn't it?